Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put school ribbon. First, gather your essential supplies: the ribbon itself, the garment you're adorning, a sharp pair of scissors, a needle, and matching thread. Before you begin, ensure your ribbon is perfectly clean and free of any creases. Take a moment to measure and mark the exact spot where you want the ribbon to sit on your garment, ensuring it's perfectly centered and aligned for the best look. Once your ribbon is positioned, use a few pins to hold it firmly in place. This prevents any unwanted movement while you're sewing. Select a strong, durable thread that closely matches either your ribbon or the garment for a seamless finish. Begin stitching from the back of the fabric, using small, even stitches along the ribbon's edges. Aim for about 10 to 12 stitches per inch for a secure hold. After you've sewn all around the ribbon, tie off your thread securely on the back of the garment. Carefully trim any excess thread very close to the knot for a neat and professional appearance. For added durability, especially if the ribbon will experience frequent movement, consider reinforcing the corners or any potential stress points with a few extra stitches. Finally, a gentle press with a warm iron will give your ribbon a crisp, polished finish. To ensure your beautifully attached ribbon lasts a long time, proper care is essential. When cleaning the garment, it's best to hand wash it using a mild detergent and cool water. Avoid using harsh chemicals or vigorously scrubbing the ribbon, as this can damage its fibers and color. When storing the garment, make sure the ribbon isn't crushed or folded sharply, which could cause permanent creases or damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.